Singer Lagnajyoti Chakrabarti was harassed for singing a song praising goddesses. Listen in.
The seventh song that I had finished performing was this song called Jagoma. It is a song from this movie called Devi Chodhurani, which has released this pujo itself. And I have sung this song in that movie. So that was the seventh song, and I had finished singing the song. And I was talking to the audience, just, generally interacting with the audience before going on to my next number. While I was talking, and I had the microphone in my hand because I was talking, suddenly we saw that this man came running towards the stage. Mehboob Mollik. He came running towards the stage, not walking. He came running towards the stage. And in a matter of a few seconds, he was on the stage and he was here. And he basically wanted to beat me up. I remember 2-3 people kind of pulling him away from me. And when he realized that even though he really wanted to beat me up, but he couldn't because people are pulling him away, that is when he shouted saying, "Onek jagoma hoyeche, ebar ekটু secular ga," which means enough of jagoma, enough with your jagoma, now sing something secular.